How to make tomato soup. You must have an adult with you at all times. The most important thing we need to do before touching any food is to wash our hands. Wash your hands for 2 happy birthday songs. Let's look at the ingredients. You will need 10 tomatoes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 tomatoes, 1 red pepper, 1 red onion, 6 garlic cloves, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, some single cream, and some salt and pepper. We also need 2 vegetable stock cubes mixed with 1 litre of water. This is the equipment we will need: an oven, a chopping board, a pot, a jug, a spoon and knife, a bowl, and a hand blender. The first thing we need to do is preheat the oven to 180 degrees Celsius. Now we need to cut the tomatoes in half. An adult needs to do this for you, or they can help you cut them in half. Let's count how many halves we have. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Put the 20 tomato pieces into a baking tray. After, prepare the garlic cloves. An adult will need to chop off each end of the garlic cloves, and then you can start peeling the skin off. Next, place the garlic cloves in the baking tray with the tomato. Drizzle some olive oil over the top of the tomatoes and garlic. Give it a good shake. Now add some salt and some pepper. Now an adult can place the tray into the oven. Set the timer for 15 minutes. While it is cooking, you can prepare the onion. You need to peel off the skin around the onion first. Now an adult can chop the onion into pieces. So the adult must cut the red pepper. Once they have done this, you can remove the pepper seeds. 15 minutes is up. Add the pepper and onion to the tray, and an adult can put it back into the oven for another 15 minutes. After 15 minutes, an adult can remove the tray from the oven. Now put the vegetables into a pot. After, open up the 2 stock cubes and put them in a jug. An adult can add 1 litre of hot water to this. After, carefully stir the stock and water together. Now add the stock to the pot of vegetables. Now let the soup simmer on the stove for 10 minutes. After, use the hand blender to blend all of the vegetables in. Next, add 4 tablespoons of cream. Your tomato soup is ready to enjoy.